squeaking springs while practicing on a pedal chair, stuttering and uneven movement, strained and clumsy movements. Not only does it disrupt concentration, it also affects the accuracy of your movements, making you increasingly frustrated during practice. Have you experienced these problems? A high-quality pedal chair spring must be smooth and quiet, extremely smooth and quiet, extension and retraction, for a smoother and more professional training experience. Look at our AO52 pedal chair. These are imported German piano wire springs, treated for quiet and smooth operation, smooth extension and retraction without jamming, quiet and noiseless power application, smooth and fluid movements for a more immersive and comfortable training experience.